Next is the components of a data communications. So we know what is a data, right? What is a data communications? Communications, exchanging of your data informations between the source and the receiver over a transmission medium is called as your data communications. Now, let us understand the next topic, that is called as the components of a data communication. So a communication system consists of 5 components. All right, so the first component is your messages, second is your sender, third component is your receiver, fourth is your transmission medium, and the fifth is your protocol. So let's understand each of these components one by one. So messages, we know what is message, right? It is the information or a data that is to be transmitted, that is to be communicated. So this messages basically consists of text, numbers, it can be a pictures, right? It can be pictures, or it can be an audio or video, etc. Right. Now next is your sender. So it is a device, it is a computer that generates and sends the data, right? So it can be a computer, example you can write as in computers, or you can write your mobile phone is also one of the example of, right? Next is the receiver. So receiver here is, it's a device or a computer that receives the messages, right? Now the location of the receiver receiver computer is generally different from the sender computer. Now the distance between the sender and the receivers depend upon the type of networks that is used in between. Now next is your medium. You can write for a receiver also, you can write computers, and you can write your mobile phone also, one of the examples of your receiver. Now medium, the transmission medium, it's a physical part, right? It's a part by which a message travel from a sender to the receiver. All right, so it is a what is this? It is a part, it is a channel or a physical part through which a message is going to be carried from sender to the receiver. An example is like your twisted pair wire or coaxial cables, twisted wire pair wire cables, you can use in the telephone landline, landline telephones, and coaxial cables that we use in your cable TV network, right? Fiber cable optic, right? Now, and you can also use wireless medium like radio waves, infrared waves, and your microwaves. These are some of the wireless medium, right? Now, so you need this transmission medium. It's a physical part where the data is going to be carried from sender to the receiver. Next is a protocol. Protocol means we heard of this protocol, right? Actually, it is a set of rules that governs the data communication. That means what? So protocol is a set of rules that has to be followed by the sender as well as by the receivers. All right, if this sender and receivers are going to be communicate, a certain rules has to be followed by these two devices. So that rules is known as your protocols. So we will learn what are the functions that is going to be performed by the protocols, or you can say a protocol perform the following function that we will discuss in the next video.